How to fix no sound on Google. If you're not being able to hear the sound, first of all check your volume. Press on the volume down or volume up button. Make sure the volume is not set at 0. What you have to do is increase it by dragging the slider to the top. Like this, the volume will be increased. Your problem should be fixed. If not, check for the permissions within the Google. Open the Google. Tap on the three dots that you can see at top right corner of your screen. Tap on the option Settings. Scroll down. Tap on the option Site Settings. Once you do that, what you have to do is scroll down. Find the option for sound and tap on it. Make sure this option for sites can play sound is selected. Once you do that, you can go back. Now you'll be able to hear the audio on Google. If you're still not being able to hear the audio, tap on the three dots again. Tap on the option Delete Browsing Data. Make sure this option for cookies, cache and other site data is selected. Tap on the option Delete Data that you can see on the screen. Once the cache is cleared, your problem should be fixed. If the problem is still not fixed, what you can do is go to the App Info interface of Google. Open App Library of your device. Find the application for Google and long press on it. Tap on the option App Info. Tap on the option Storage and Cache. Make sure to clear the cache from here too. Tap on the option Clear Cache. If the problem is still not fixed, tap on the option Manage Space. Tap on the option Clear All Data. After all the data is cleared, go ahead and open the Google. You should be able to hear the sound. If you're still not being able to hear the sound, there might be some problem with your device's speaker itself. In that case, make sure there's no dirt in the speaker. Clean your speaker. After you do that, your problem should be fixed. Otherwise, you'll have to consult the technician regarding your device's speaker. Like this, you can fix no sound on Google. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.